All right guys, so let's do it. Okay, so we want to create this flyer here. This is my landing page. I want to promote Digistem affiliate marketing. All right, as you can see here now, this my landing page is converting. As you can see, it's straight to the point, and it just said specifically what you'll be getting, at least how to make $500 weekly using just your smartphone. All right, then join the fastest growing affiliate marketing platform today. So I want to show you how I create this flyer. All right, first thing we need to do, first of all, we have to go to my Digistem account. As you can see here, this is my account, and this is the sales I've been able to generate. I've generated close to $200. All right, and this is my earning I still left here. Then this is the copy we'll be putting on the landing page. All right, but we'll not be doing that for now. So as of the landing page here, I will show you how I created this landing page. But for today, let's go over to the flyer, and I will show you how I was able to create that kind of flyer for your business. So let's get started right now. So if you do not have Photoshop, I've done a video tutorial on how I use Canva to do graphics, or how I use Canva to design. All right, you can also check it up, all right, in my previous videos. You're going to learn how I do such. Okay, but today let us use Photoshop with my Pixie. It's quite simple to do. All right, so this is the interface we'll be working with, and this is the flyer we will be replicating. All right, so if you see here now at the background, we'll have something there, an image. What I will do, I will go to my file, I will go to my download. I've already downloaded the materials. All right, to just watch what I do, I will drag it here. I will drag it this way. Okay, I'll open up my file, then I'll drop. What I will do, I will scale it. It's simple, just hold on. Now with the idea you will be learning here, you can as well use it in Canva and in other editing apps you have as well. Okay, so it's not only on Photoshop. I will highlight the image. I will reduce the opacity to something like, let's say 41. Okay, I'll come back to it again to see if it match. That is that. Next again, I have to go back and check next again. You can see, let us bring this background. What I will do, I will click on this plus icon here. As you can see here, I click here, solid background. I will take it to green. Okay, because green is Digistem color. Okay, brand color. So this green, I'll okay it. I'll reduce the opacity so that I'm going to see what is at the background a little bit. Okay, for like this is okay by me. Then I go again. What next? It's quite simple to do. The next thing again we will be doing, for us to bring this here. This is my screenshot. All right, I have done the screenshot already. All right, and then also have this image. Next, I will go to my download. This is the lady here. I will drag her, all right, to the interface this way. Watch what I will do. I will scale it. Then once I'll click OK. Then I will rasterize the layer. After I've done that, what I will do, I will click on this. I want to remove the background from here. What I will do, I will click on this. Then here, what I will do, I will right click. Then similar, I click on select. Then I will take it to expand. I'll put 2. Then OK it, backspace, Control D. Do you see now? So it have removed this background from her. What I will do again, I will drop the thing I picked. Okay, so I will scale it a little bit this way. I will position it like this. I will make it fast so that we don't waste much time. I'll okay it this way. Simple. I'll go again. I'll bring anything you don't understand, just ask me a question. I will explain better for you. I'll do other tutorial for you, breaking it down for you, things you do not understand. Then I'll go to my picture. I've already screenshot my results, which I want to put at the background of it. So I'll bring it here. I will drop it here. Watch what I will do. I will take it to the back. So I'll have to bring this lady up a little bit so that the image gets to the back. Do you see? Perfect. So next again, we're gonna be doing, I'll create a rectangle. Just watch. Rectangle this way. Okay, then I will change the color here. I will remove this. Just watch. Create the color. We'll have, which color was that? I think it's blue. Let's click on this, and then we're gonna check what we have over there. All right, good, blue. So let's check back again and see the one we have in the other place. So we have color here, we have white and red. Okay, so I'll have to change this to red. Just watch and see what I'm doing. I have to click here, change it to red. What I will do, I will Control T, then right click. I have to change this to warp. I'll scale it like this, scale it again, so we'll get something like that. All right, so I have to take this, I'll highlight how to bring it down. Okay, bring it down. Okay, it's much. Take it up a little bit. Then again, I'll click Ctrl J. It's quite simple to do. I'll take it up a little bit. Okay, a little bit. Then I'll change it. Now I'll bring it down a little bit. Then I'll change the color to white this way. So we'll have something like that. It's not that hard to do. Let's go back again and see what we have. Perfect. So it's coming alive. We'll take it a little bit like this. Good. So what again is very simple. What next now is for us to bring this text here. We can copy it this way. Okay, and then drop it here. Then we'll go again to the other one. Do you see? Then here we copy here. So here we can as well reduce this, take it back. Bring it back like this, so that we'll make a space there. Then the red one, the red, we'll take it a little bit. Then the image at the back, we'll take it up, so that we'll have something that look exactly like the one we are modeling. We'll take this up, take it up. Then we can as well drag it this way. It's not hard to do. Okay, then this one, we take it down a little bit, so we'll have similar. So we have similar stuff like that. Okay, then the image a little bit again. Then this one, we take it this way. Then we take it up. So let's see what we are modeling. We'll go back again. You can see, wow, we are almost done. You can see it's not hard. Let's take this up a little bit again. We'll nudge it up this way. Then this, take it up. Now, one thing I like about this fly is that it is converting, and you can create it with Canva. All right, but this one now is Photoshop is what I'm using. I'll go back again. All right, then I have to take this. I will bring the logo here. Let's go and check. So I'll click on this. I will drag the logo to here. Then I will drop it here. Do you see? I will bring it down a little bit. I'll highlight it. Then here is perfect. Then we'll go again. Then we'll drag this. This is join the fastest growing. This here. Then we'll drop it here. So now what we'll do is we'll click on this. We'll use Control and then this parenthesis to take it up. Then we'll shift it. Watch. Bring it somewhere like this. Okay, so you can see we are almost done. Then again, then this, we'll drag it again here, then bring it here. So you can see just copy and paste. We didn't do much here. Okay, do you see? So we have replicated this same flyer here. Do you get? Do you see? And then you download. Now it is quite simple to create this, and why I like it is that it speaks to your ideal audience. All right, do you see it? So with this now, we just download it. Okay, it's quite simple to do. It's not that difficult. Okay, now one thing I like about this flyer is that you speak to your audience. Digistem affiliate marketing. Okay, and they have a call to action there. Join the fastest growing affiliate marketing platform. If you want to learn how to sell your affiliate marketing products, okay, from the landing page, from copy and then an advertisement, I offer you a training to show you on how to do that. Okay, I want to guide you, show you through both from flyer creation, but from editing your video, from writing a sales copy, from drafting a converting sales funnel, all right, an advertisement, and all of that is being covered. I'll drop the link to chat me off on my WhatsApp. Okay, I'm gonna show you what it takes to get started. Okay, it's affordable and you can hop into it and start to make money with your affiliate marketing business, irrespective of any platform you are into. You are going to make massive money using this framework I've been using to generate a lot of money for myself. All right, catch you up later. Bye for now. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss my subsequent videos on video editing and then ad copy landing page. I'm gonna be creating it for you, step by step process on how you can do such. Okay,